Welcome back again to day 3 of our 12 days of Tai Chi. Today we are going to do playing the lute and repulse the monkey. So going to start in our bow stance again. I'm going to angle it over to the corner so hopefully you can see. I'm going to do the same little transfer of body weight again. So half a step in, bringing the weight forwards. We're transferring the body weight down into that back foot, and this time we're going to place our heel in our empty stance. So if you can, all the weight in this back supporting leg. Remember your posture, keeping this core engaged, pulling belly button through to spine. And like I'm suspended from the ceiling, I want this nice lifting up from the crown. Let's try that all again. So half a step in, transfer the weight, sinking it down into the floor and heel forwards. One more time. Other side. Half a step in. Tap in here, transfer the weight, sink it down and then heel out. Half a step in. We're going to add our playing the lute arms to those feet. So we will have push forwards from the end of our brush knee in our Yang 24 step. We're going to bring this hand, so just by bending the wrist, we're going to point those fingers forwards. And then going to draw, really using my waist to draw this hand towards me, bringing the other hand forwards, and I'm going to change so that I play the lute like a guitar. And again, focusing through the fingers, looking forwards. Let's try that again. I'll show it to the side. Let's do the other way. Let's put the arms and feet together. So half a step in, we straighten that hand, pointing the fingers forwards. Transfer the weight, I'm drawing this hand in. And as I place my foot on the heel, I end up in playing the lute. Let's try it again. Other side. Half a step in, we straighten the hand, transfer the weight, play the lute. Really make it flow. Lots of focus and intention. Our next movement is Repulse the monkey. So in the Yang 24 step, we'd be doing this with a backwards walking, but I'm going to keep it simple and just stick with the arms today. Again, I'm going to face the corner, so hopefully you can see a little bit more of the detail. I'm going to turn the waist and bring the arms to a natural V shape. So I don't want to see you overstretched or see the shoulders lifting up because we're lifting the arms. We want to keep it nice and relaxed and just well within this neutral V shape here. I'm looking at my backhand. Similar to brush knee, I'm going to bring it to the ear, and then it's a push-pull action. So this hand is pushing forwards, turning the waist to power the push, and at the same time I'm drawing this hand towards me, and it's going to finish on my hip here. Let's try that again. V shape, hand to ear, push and pull. Let's try it on the other side. V shape, hand to ear, push and pull. We alternate this move, so I'm going to keep the feet in a neutral stance parallel, so hip width apart. I'm going to take our hands out, bring the hand to ear, and let's sink into our horse stance as we push forwards. And this hand here on the hip goes back to start again on the other side. Let's do a couple, staying low in our horse stance, keeping the core engaged. Making it flow. Let's do the two together. So starting in our bow stance, playing the lute. Step the feet to the parallel stance and repulse the monkey. Step to bow stance, playing the lute. To parallel, repulse the monkey. One more time. We're doing really well. Let's meet up again for day number 4. See you then.